Hello, good day, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at Bece 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 18. Bece 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 18. The full meaning of Ndlea is The full meaning of Ndlea is A. National for Drug Administration and Control, B. National Daily Law Enforcement Agency, C. National Drug Disempower Agency, and D. National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. Now we are asked to find the full meaning of Ndlea. Ndlea, and like we know, Ndlea is a governmental organization. That is, it's a body set up by the government. Ndlea is a body set up by the government to fight against the use of illegal drugs. So this is a body set up by the government to fight against the use of illegal drugs. And now Ndlea simply means the national. Since it is set up by the Nigerian government, it is a national drug, like I told you, to fight against the use of illegal drug. National Drug Law, that's for the L. Enforcement, to enforce the law now. Enforcement now agency. So what it simply means is that what this is an agency that enforces what the law against what the use of illegal drugs in a nation, and that's why it refers to as what National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. It just simply means an agency that has been set up by the government to enforce the law against what the use of illegal drugs in the nation, and that's why it refers to as National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. And from this you see that D is our answer. This is National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, and that is our answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.